This morning I'm gonna try to show you how to demonstrate a 9 section for perms, and we're gonna start out with having 9 clips that we have right here, and I have a tail comb and a bottle of water just in case it's getting dry, and also a perm rod for measurement. And as you can see, I'm already cape towel draping. So I'm gonna begin by measuring the perm rods right here. I'm gonna begin my section at the mohawk section first. This is my first section. And I just wanted to make sure that this is fit exactly in it, or the section of the hair could be a little bit smaller than the rod. So before I want to do the whole thing, I just want to make sure. So I'm just going to use my tail comb. I'm just going to lay it flat to the head. I'm just going to draw, and then I'm going to split the hair. So when I come to about right here, I know that the ears are just around here somewhere, so I just want to make sure that where I'm going is not too far. So it's right behind the ears, so I'm going to make this first section. Now, for a lot of you, you think it's very, very easy to do it. But when you see somebody else do it, it looks so easy to you. But once you start doing it, you're just thinking, oh, maybe it's not as easy. But this is the easiest way that I can find to show you. So right behind the ears right there, I'm gonna go split down, and there's behind the ears. And I'm gonna check it to make sure this fits in it. You can make it a little bit cleaner if you want. Of course, everybody's head is a little bit different, so some people have a bigger head and some of them have a smaller head. So I'm just gonna go to this other side and do the same thing. So I'll have 3 sections already. And many people might tell you a different way of doing it, but I just find that this is the easiest way to get it down. Okay, and then I'm gonna pay attention to that. I'm gonna draw. Going straight down with it, and I'm going to cut out. And how do I know where the stop is? I'm just pretending where the ears are. Right behind the ears, you're going to make one going this way and one square going the other way. So that's how I do it. Okay, then I'm just gonna continue with my mohawk. If you just focus in the middle first, then the rest of the others will fit in. It's just like building a house. You gotta form a foundation before you can do the frame. So the mannequin head is smaller, so it's gonna be a smaller down here. But if you look, pay attention that it's all gonna fit in the hair. It's all gonna fit in. And then when you come to here, you're just gonna cut behind the ears. And you go down with it. I want to make sure all that tail is tucked in. And you go to this side, you do the same thing. And the more you do, the more the line is going to get better. Your first one is not going to look awesome, but the more you do it, the better you get at it. Sometimes you have to do it, so you have to measure, make sure it's all fit in. There's your 9 section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you're gonna start rolling from the back, from the front first. You're gonna do your mohawk all the way down. Then you can go to the side and the other side, and then this side and the back, and then this back. This one will always have a little corner right to here, so you're just gonna use a half, not a whole big perm like this, but there's one that's half of this side. So expect that to look weird right there for a little bit, but it shouldn't matter too much. And it's all. So I hope that it's easy for you to remember to do the mohawk first, and then come here, go across it, and then here you're gonna go across that. So it's like a triangle right to here. So, and that's